National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central DuPage County in northeastern Illinois until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wheaton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Carroll Stream, Addison, Glen Ellen, West Chicago, Westmont, Lisle, Villa Park, Hinsdale, Burr Ridge, Oak Brook, York Center, Warrenville, Winfield, and Clarendon Hills. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 126 and 139. Interstate 290 between mile markers 12 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 19 and 28. This includes College of DuPage, DuPage County Fairgrounds, Morton Arboretum, and Wheaton College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe